Salutations and welcome back to our channel. We're taking you on a close-up look at the future of luxury travel today with the much-anticipated 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Imagine a world without restrictions, where elegance and freedom coexist everywhere you go. Top bodybuilders were able to create this masterpiece utilizing the reliable 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter as a basis, despite Mercedes-Benz not directly manufacturing motorhomes. A range of powerful 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engines, OM654, with 170 to 211 PS of torque and a seamless 9G Tronic automatic transmission are expected to be available. The exterior of the 2026 Sprinter retains its muscular and useful shape, but has a more modern design twist. Sharp lines, slick LED lighting, and the Mercedes-Benz grille create a sophisticated, adventure-ready look. Because of its sporty wheels and premium paint options, this RV will be noticed wherever it goes. The dashboard has been redesigned to be more elegant and ergonomic as soon as you walk in. The latest MBUX infotainment system and a completely digital instrument cluster are housed in a large, integrated dual display that serves as the focus point. Several aspects may be controlled with the "Hey Mercedes" voice control without diverting your attention from the road. A luxurious and contemporary interior atmosphere is created by soft-touch materials, eye-catching metal or wood accents, and adjustable ambient lighting, providing a driving experience on par with a Mercedes-Benz premium vehicle. The living room is a comfortable and opulent retreat. Its spacious design maximizes living space while parked thanks to a special slide-out feature. Sofas and chairs with heating, massage, and electrical adjustment capabilities, as well as upholstery composed of premium leather or opulent fabrics, offer the highest level of comfort. A dining table that is easy to expand or fold up creates the perfect space for eating or working. Because of the enormous panoramic windows, you will always have the best view, and every leisure time will be enhanced with an integrated entertainment system that includes a widescreen smart TV and a surround sound system. When you walk inside the bedroom, you'll find a luxurious and peaceful retreat. To ensure a restful night's sleep, choose a king-size or queen-size bed with an orthopedic mattress of the highest caliber. A spacious built-in closet with additional storage drawers and inside illumination keeps all of your personal belongings organized. Complete privacy is provided by blackout curtains and subtle ambient lighting, creating a comfortable bedroom atmosphere worthy of a five-star hotel. The bathroom in this RV is not only functional but also a relaxing space. It features an elegant sink with a high-end faucet, a huge walk-in shower with powerful water pressure, and a porcelain toilet. Countertops made of premium materials like marble or quartz lend a hint of elegance. An LED-lit mirror and efficient ventilation provide comfort and utility. The kitchen is the main attraction of this RV, which is designed for the adventurous home cook. The high-end stainless steel appliances that come with it include a full-size refrigerator, freezer, induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, and even a compact dishwasher. Natural stone or high-quality composite counters offer plenty of prep space, and well-designed storage cabinets keep everything organized, including utensils and supplies.